Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will configure the AgentWise monthly sales report. To begin, go to the Reports and Queries section and, under Sales Registers, open the Sales Register Cross-tab report. Click on Configuration to create a new report and define a suitable configuration name. Next, navigate to Report Options and, under Report Consolidation, enable the period and agent name options. In the Report Totals section, enable the Grand Total option to display overall totals. Adjust the report order by moving agent name and period to the top using the arrow keys. Then, under Transaction Options, enable the setting to view transaction details and tick the Total Quantity option. Proceed to the Other Options tab, select Columns as to Period, and set the period as monthly from the drop-down list to generate a month-wise report. Once done, save the configuration. From the available list of report configurations, select the one you just created and click Create. By default, all columns will be displayed. To customize, open Setup Column Attributes, unselect all columns first, and then select only the required ones such as agent name, total quantity, and net amount. Ensure the Columns column is enabled. You can also use the search bar to find a specific field and rearrange the column order using the arrow keys. Finally, save the settings and refresh the report by pressing F2. The following report displays the month-wise consolidated sales of each agent based on quantity. To view total sales in value as well, press F5 to open the configuration settings, go to the Transaction Options tab, enable Net Sale Value Type and Total. Save the changes. Press F2 again to refresh the report. As you can see that the report displays month-wise total quantity, as well as net sales of each agent.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.